Welcome everyone. Today I am showing you how you can fix the Django installation problem. Sometimes operating system doesn't install Django correctly because of the problem of the creation of virtual environment. So let's fix it. For this, let's create a folder named Django. Open the folder with Windows PowerShell. Zoom it. Here I will type some line of code. Copy first line, then paste it. Hit enter button. Okay. It will create virtual environment for installation of Django. Don't worry, the code will given in the description section. Copy the second line, paste it, hit enter. Copy the third line for activating virtual environment. Paste it and hit enter. And finally, install Django via pip. Copy it, paste here, hit enter. It will install Django. Django is installing here. Okay, it will take some time. Then create our project, mysite. Okay, with the help of this line, paste here, and finally hit enter. Okay, then I will open my project. So I have to type here. So I have to go to my project directory, mysite, cd mysite, and here I have to type Python manage.py run server, then hit enter. Okay, copy this URL and paste the title bar, paste here, and hit enter. Okay, wow. If you follow this instruction, then Django will be installed successfully without any problem. Okay, if you find helpful this video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Like this video, please.